The DroneSense Autel partnership provides public safety agencies the best tools available for managing unmanned aerial programs and monitoring each flight mission.
I could not be more excited about the Autel Evo 2 series of aircraft. The ease of operation, the simplicity of deployment, the lack of geofencing, everything about this aircraft seems to have been built specifically for public safety, and I believe it's going to be a game changer.
The great thing about the Evo 2 Dual is the quality of the thermal camera. Our entire UAS program is built around the DroneSense platform. It provides administrative tools, situational awareness, and low latency, high quality video streaming.
We can use one software out on the scene and incorporate all our missions together. It saves time, but most importantly, it saves manpower.
To bring two powerhouses like that together for the public safety and law enforcement market is huge.
Combined with Autel's Made in the USA with foreign and domestic components and labor initiative, public safety agencies can now be assured of safe, secure missions and know their fleet is being managed by a robust, focused program. This is very exciting for the public safety vertical.